let's go back to this, and what's the final video is Meta's most dystopian product. Now, I won't lie, I have no idea what is it like. Let me search up what that means. Dystopian. Let me bring this back here to you all. So it's saying that dystro bad. It says like it's a bar-based and image world of society in which people lead wretched, dehumanized, fearful lives. Okay, CBC trying to say that basically Meta created this like very evil product. I guess that could end everyone's lives. I guess. I think that what he mean. That what he meant to say.
Yesterday, the world got its first look at the most innovative, most exciting, and most dystopian tech product of 2025. The $799 Ray-Ban sunglasses that lets you live life like a fighter pilot with a full color heads-up display.
Oh, this. Oh, yeah. I've seen advertisements on this. So it's basically like a glasses that you can, you know, basically like how I'm guessing I can say Tony Stark. I'm guessing like when Tony Stark like he like touches his glasses or whatever, and like he sees like all the different screens stuff pop up. It's pretty much basically like that. In all honesty.
Ray-Ban sunglasses that lets you live life like a fighter pilot with a full color heads-up display.
Yeah.
And not only that, but it can practically read your mind thanks to this thing called the Meta Neural Band, which is a bracelet that measures movement before it's even visually perceptible.
Yeah, bro. Like, it's a no for me, dog. Like, bro. I need to set up a songboard, bro. I'm gonna set up a songboard, man. I'm gonna set up a songboard, bro. It's a no for me, dog. Like, no, we're not doing that, man. Come on, man.
A product this terrifying could only be conceived by one man, Mark Zuckerberg, who demoed them at MetaConnect 2025. The presentation was truly impressive at times, but not everything went according to plan. Actually, that's an understatement. This could go down in history as one of the biggest live demo fails since Elon tried to demo the bulletproof glass of the Cybertruck.
Yeah, yeah, I remember this was pretty funny. I was like when they break that up, and after he was like, well, what did he say? I remember.
Well, maybe that was a little too hard.
Yeah, he said that a little bit too hard. Like, yeah, bro, hey, good. He played off good though. He played off good, but yeah, that was a big failure. But yeah.
Oh my fucking god. Well, maybe that was a little too hard.
In today's video, we'll look at the incredible tech behind Meta's new half-baked Ray-Bans and find out what it'll be like to interact with fellow humans in the future. It is September 18th, 2025, and you're watching The Code Report. When Meta released its AI smart glasses last year, the first thing people did was develop an app to dox people in real time by connecting its real-time video feed to facial recognition software. This has allowed men to optimize the way they talk to women by knowing all their personal details in advance. That's awesome, but these new Meta Ray-Ban display glasses represent a breakthrough in 3 key areas.
So you trying to people use this to like get information on others? I mean, bro, this is a mission impossible. Bro, this is some like, bro, this is some, what is the movie Kings? This is some Kingston. This is some James Bond. Bro, this is, yo, what the hell?
First, it has a full-color, high-resolution 600 by 600 pixel display positioned in the right lens. The display is translucent and doesn't obstruct the wearer's natural vision. That means when your parents call you in for an important conversation to get a job and move out of their basement, you can maintain eye contact while still getting all of your important Instagram notifications. The second innovation in these new Ray-Bans is...
Man, I won't lie, bro. Bro, this, man... I can see why he said that in the title, man. Bro, this could cook the generation, though. I won't lie, man. Bro, the generation could literally be cooked by this, man. Like, bro, I get to see a bunch of like kids just. I mean, nah, not let me. Yeah, I'm a bro. Man, you all know how the generation is going, man. You can figure out what I'm trying to go with this, man.
Just the sheer amount of AI slot packed into the device. They're much bulkier than regular Wayfarers, but have a 6-hour battery life and allow you to do things like translate conversations in real time to any language. They can recognize images in the real world and also respond with new images generated by AI. One real-world use case for this feature is...
This is, that reminds me of, I think I made a report on this. I think it's Gemini. When Gemini new updates where it's able to like translate live calls in 10 different languages. Like, yeah, this is pretty much basically what Meta is basically doing with that as well.
Also respond with new images generated by AI. One real-world use case for this feature is that it could turn any modern wife into a trad wife by leveling up her cooking skills. At Meta Connect, they attempted to
Yo, that, man. Yo, man, y'all are some misogynists, man. And I'm, yo, this is funny, man. Yo, this is hilarious, bro.
any modern wife into a trad wife by leveling up her cooking skills.
Yo.
At Meta Connect, they attempted to live demo it cooking, but it failed hard.
What do I do first?
You've already combined the base ingredients, so now grate a pear to add to the sauce.
What do I do first?
You've already combined the base ingredients, so now grate the pear and gently combine it with the base sauce.
All right, I think
Yeah, you know why it failed? Poor data, man. That's why it failed. Told you, man, bro. You have to. I know how to solve that problem that they're having. It's very simple, but yeah, man. I mean, I'm not gonna admit it because, bro, yeah, if you're on the final source, bro, you're gonna, yeah, you know what I mean. But yeah, I think I know why that failed. Exactly. They just had their own data sets that they inputted into the chip.
Base ingredients, so now grate the pear and gently combine it with the base sauce.
all right, I think the Wi-Fi might be messed up. Sorry, back to you, Mark.
Ha ha ha.
You know what?
Ha 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 ha. Bro, trying to play it off like, you know, when a guy laughing, he's like, what the hell, bro? Nah, my shoe just dropped. Okay, that was, bro. My shoe just dropped, bro. That was pretty scary. I won't lie, but I'm sorry, but to go back, you know the meme where the guy he's laughing, he's like, haha, after you get a kind of side eye, bro, that is exactly what I give it, man. That's how the crowd is feeling.
They tried to play it off as a Wi-Fi problem,
Yeah.
but clearly the problem is that the AI here just isn't very intelligent. The
Yep.
third and most
Poor
impressive
data,
innovation,
man.
though, is the Meta Neural Band, a wristband that comes with every pair of display glasses. It uses electromyography technology to sense tiny electrical signals in your wrist that correspond to the way you move your hands. This thing can actually detect how your hands are going to move before the movement even happens. It completely replaces old-fashioned touchscreens on antique devices like the iPhone, because everything can now be controlled with subtle finger movements. What's most impressive is that it works universally on all humans without calibration, the only exception being humans with no arms. That amazing feat was achieved by testing it on over 200,000 participants. But is this approach actually intuitive from a UI/UX perspective?
Bro, man, we keep it sorry, bro. I'm not putting no wristband on, bro, brother. Like, no, bro. I love my life, bro. Like, yeah, I've, you know, I've got a future. There's kids I want to have, you know what I mean? Like family, I need to take care of, bro. I'm not putting that on my arm, bro, respectfully. Like, that's a no for me, dog. Like, I'm not doing that whatsoever, bro.
I don't know about you. When I watch TV,
I accidentally exited. That's my fault. That's my fault.
it's all good.
Okay, we're good now.
Really live.
As you can see, even Meta employees seem to struggle using it. But despite these live demo failures, you have to give Meta some credit for having the balls to demo it live. It's a refreshing change from the over-glamorous Apple-style announcements. But Meta probably...
I mean, it's good. I mean, it's always good to show your failures, but I would genuinely say it looks very bad to show, especially like a company as big as Meta, to like be showing those errors. It's very embarrassing. I won't lie, because shareholders can lose a bit of interest when they see stuff like that happen. And as if no one is perfect, obviously there are going to be mistakes or whatever. But to be very honest, like, bro, stuff like that, man, like, bro, I would probably double, triple, 10, bro, man, I'll be checking those things so many times to ensure that is good before I actually like go public with it, because especially like once you have that sort of level of clout on you, because I said Apple and Google, they're looking at that and be like, well, you see, Meta failed, now, let's see how we can capitalize on that, so like Meta, that is a very big failure on them. They should have been better there and know not to like do things like that. So, and I mean, if I'm being honest, I do remember I remember Google messing up on something that they did. I just don't remember the video. And well, this is the first time I've seen Meta mess up on something as well. I've rarely seen, I've rarely or if ever seen Apple mess up on anything. If I'm going to be honest, in terms of like a presentation, I've never seen them mess up on anything. But I mean, who knows? We see how the future goes.
Probably could have shipped a more stable product if they ran their CI/CD pipelines with Blacksmith, the sponsor of today's video.
Yeah, we're not, yeah, bro, we're not falling for the sponsors, man. But yeah, man, that was pretty much it here for the videos. I hope that it was informative. You all like the video, learn a thing or two, and that you all can take away something from this and be able to become more knowledgeable and become better at your day-to-day activities, man. So yeah, this was a good video. I liked it a lot. And yeah, this meta glasses, bro. Yeah, this is, man, I can see how the generation going on be, and bro, it just, man, it's just not gonna look good, man. Like, I can just see so many problems that just come playing through my, so many scenarios just playing through my mind right now, and it's like, bro, man, that's not gonna be good. But we see, man. I'll catch you back in another video. Make sure you like the video, share, subscribe, and yeah, man.